We're going to now change a rear light bulb on a car. It doesn't matter which one, they're all basically the same. I'll just show you on this car, this is a 2013 Renault Clio, how to change a rear bulb. On this car, we've got a couple of Torx drives here. Some might have screws, or it might be internal. You have to take the panel out, put your hand in the back. You might have a couple of screws to undo, or the cover, the bulb holder, might just unclip and come out. Just got a couple of little tabs to pull. And that slides out. That looks slightly damaged though. Don't know what it is. Very brittle plastic, broke already. Just jaggle them out slowly because you'll have like a locating tab which goes in there. To get the plug off. Just gonna pop the tab, there we go. So the little tab here is to come back, springs back off a little hook. And then you can take that plug off. Now we've got the light out, I'll put it on the bench and we can show you how to do it. Okay, we've now got the light out. Just got to find which tabs take the light out. Little tab here. Just, oh my God. Plastic, very brittle. So this one squeezes, and this one lifts up. So we're going to change what's called stop and tail light. This does your side light and your brake light. So push in, twist it to the left. This one has got 2 pins, one for each bulb. A common mistake people do, they will put something like this back in the hole and that will bridge both the terminals and it can cause faults with your lights. So make sure you've got the right bulb. These pins, these ones are at 6 o'clock. You'll get some which are offset, like this one, which is, let's say 5 to 6. So just make sure you get the right pin and the right terminals. Put the bulb back in. These are different heights as well. So if it goes, it won't go that way. Just turn it and put it in and twist it, and that's back in. This one's an indicator, which is generally painted orange, and these are the same. Some, like this one, they've got offset pins, and this one will have straight pins, like this. There's lots of different bulbs. This one's got straight pins. Same again, just find out how it locates. This one will only locate one way because the pins are offset. Put it in, twist it right, and that's it. What you tend to find happens with these, the paint will burn off and they'll start showing white light, so your indicators might look quite faded instead of nice bright orange. Put it back in. Push it back on the tabs, the ones that are left. That's that one. There's another one here, just for example, off another car. This one's got different tabs, so you pop these 2 tabs. Leave it out. More tabs here. Just be gentle because they're very brittle plastic. This one's got all white ones. And this one's actually been getting water in. You can see the corrosion. So that bulb is very tight. push it in, turn it. You can see it now. That's water getting into the light. You need to clean all this off, clean the terminal. Don't do it while the light's plugged in if you're cleaning the terminal, because you can bridge the contacts or blow your fuse. All the rest are clean, as you can see. And that should just click back in. And that's that one. This one had 2 nuts to take this light out, but it was just to show you. Okay, put this one back in the car. So now we've changed the bulb, we're going to put the light back in. It's the same process, but just in reverse. A couple of little tips. These locators can jam and make the light hard to come out. One of the screws has been getting rusty, so what I'd recommend is if you put some grease on the pin that goes in here and some grease on these 2 screws, or oil will do. I'm using grease. It just helps next time you take your light out, stop it getting jammed in. Okay, so plug back on, you need to hear it click. There you go. Put the pin back in the hole. That goes in a lot better. And we're just going to screw the cover back on. This cover's got locators that drop into the side of the light. Like that. Put the 2 screws back. There's a bit more grease on that. And that's job done.